for this purpose, if we are interested to reshape the negative part of the AC wave, then we have to change the polarity of the battery. Okay, that will be minus 5 volt. Okay, this is negative, this is plus. Okay, and this will be circuit for this. Okay, for example, if this is input wave, this is T1, this is T2, this is T3, this is T4. Okay, so this is T1, 2, 3 and 4. Now yes, okay, this is V out. For if we consider T1, for T1 that input wave is positive, okay, and V in will be always greater than 0, and 0 is greater than minus 5 volt. Mean input wave will be because that will be greater, yeah, or you may say that because that is positive and that will be always greater than 0, and that is greater than minus 5. If that is greater than 0, then that will be greater than 5 volt, negative, because that is a negative. So P will be a this is a mean because that is positive, so that will be a this is a since this is a P and this is a N, okay, N junction. Okay, so when the V in is greater than 5 volt, okay, that will be always a greater than 5. So that will be like a this P will be higher, P will be a positive, more positive, and N will be a less voltage. So that will be a forward P with the P higher voltage. So that will be a, that diode will be a forward bias, and that will behave like a short circuit. And so this, if this is a resistance R, so this circuit will be like a minus plus. So this circuit will be like this, and V out will be equal to minus 5, because battery will be provided, because this battery is equal to minus 5 volts. So this the current will be provided by this. So that will be the V out will be of minus 5 volt. Okay, so you may say that this will be equivalent. So this so you may say that because this terminal will be provide the same potential, so output wave will be as a for T1 that will be a minus 5 volt. Okay, but for T2 okay, I have enlarged it to understand the concept. Because now the current is decreasing, there will be a 3 part, and battery is negative 5 volt. So that if this is a negative part, that is minus 5 volt. Okay, so then there are 3 parts. This is 2-1. This will be a T22, this will be a 2-3 part. Okay, T2 3. Okay. So T2 will be divided into 3 parts. The one for T21. Okay. V in will be, in this case, V in will for T21, V in will be, because the input voltage is more than even will be greater than minus 5 volt, because this is 5 battery voltage, so that will be minus 2, minus 3 or a minus 4, that will be greater than minus 5, that is less than 0, mean that is a negative. But that if the negative part of this T2, for T2, V in will be less than 0, will have 3 part, that will be a T21. For T21, V in will be greater than minus 5 volt. Okay, as a that will be the greater than minus 5 volt, and so the circuit will be like the same as this. Okay. As above. Okay. 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 For this, it is again circuit will be same as the above for T1 case, so that will be also for T2, that will be this minus 5 volt. Okay. Okay, so this will be like this, and similarly this is for T21, and this is and the same circuit will be for this is for this is for T1, this is for T21, and for T 2 3. Okay, when the current will be decreasing, the circuit will be the same. V in will again minus 5 volt. Okay, and the circuit will be the same, and voltage for T2 3. This was about, this was again this. Okay, I think okay, for this two procedure, we may say that okay, but for T2 that part, if we consider this part, then that will be equal. Firstly, I think I should not write this. Okay, and for T22 at this time, V in will be less than minus 5 volt. Okay, that will be get more negative. Okay, so this will be in that case and this is equal to whatever input is, that will become for V out will be equal to V in for T22. Okay, at this part for T2. Okay, so for this case so for this case okay, the curve will be V out will be, because what was V out? V out will be like a V in, that is this part. Okay, that will be like this. Okay, so this will be this. Okay, so if I combine these three things, T2 will, for T2, that is the combination of this, that will be equal to we considered all the T's. Okay, for T2 complete for T2, that include T21, T22 for T22 and T23. Okay, so if I combine all these three, then we will get the result for T2. For T2 it will be, if I say that this is from here to here, this is T2. Okay, okay. For T2, this is if this is a T2, then that will be divided into this T2 will be divided into three parts. Okay, this will be a T21, this will be a T22, and this will be a T23. From this is for T21 and this is for T23. So at T21 this will be this, and T23 will be wave like this. Okay, and this is for T21, that state equally that is equal to actually if this is minus 5 volt. Okay, and this is 0, and this is minus 5 volt. Okay, Okay. So for this, that will be a constant. Okay. And for T2, this will be like a input wave as, okay. This actually, so so this will be for a complete T2, and for T1 this will be this. Okay, if I combine this T1 and T2 both, if I combine, this is combination of for T2, that is combination of T2 T21, this is actually combination of for T2, that is actually the for complete T2, and T2 is combination of T21, T22 plus T23. So this is T21, this T2 2 output, and this T23, because for T21 that is minus 5 volt constant, for and for T23 that is also a constant, that is also negative 5 volt. Okay, minus 5 volt. Okay, and this is also a 0 and minus 5 volt. Okay. So when we combine all these T1 and T2, so for T1, T2, T3, T4 and so on, T5 and so on. Okay, what will be the output? So output will be output wave will be so if I combine all these, then output wave will be output wave will be if I consider that if I enlarge it, this is T1, this is the 42, T3, T4 and T5. Okay, this is T1, this is for T2, this is T3, T4, this is for T5 and so on. You may say that this is T6. So for T1 this is minus 5 volt, so output wave will be this constant minus 5 volt. Okay, T2 will be divided into furtherly 3 part. T3 will be remain the same, T4 will be again divided into T6 will be furtherly divided into. So in this way, for T1 that will be a constant equal to 5 volt. For T2 it will be again constant. Okay, for this is for I must write this says T21, this is T22, this T23, this is T41, T42, T43, this is T61, this is 62, T63. So for this for T21 that will be constant. For this this will be like the input wave, okay. Then 2, 3, that will be again constant. 43, that will be a constant. For T41, it will be also a constant. For so this will be again this and this. For T5, this will be also constant. T61, it is sorry. Constant, remain constant, and then this will be equal to this and this. So this will be like a output curve, okay. This. So this will be a T5, this will be a 6-1, this T6-2, this will be a T6-3. So for T, the output wave is constant, straight line. For T21, it will remain the constant up till -5. This is, always remember, this is 0 minus, this is -5, okay. -5 volt, this is 0 volt, okay. So for T1, this will remain up to T21 part, that will be remain constant. T2, this will be like a input wave, okay. For this T23, this will be constant. For T3, this will be constant. For T41, it will remain the constant. For T42, that become the input wave equal to V in. This is equal to V in. V equal to this is 5 volt, okay, -5 volt. So this is -5 volt. This is V in. This is V in, okay. So that will be like this curve, okay, and -5 volt input wave will be cut, and so this will be like output wave. This will be the shape of output wave, and so now I think it is very clear and very simple. And equivalent circuit diagram for this will be also draw like I explain it later. This may be equal to this circuit is equivalent to this. The result will be the same. Now I will explain this. This is N, this is P, this is also -5 volt, okay. This is minus, this is plus, this is resistance. So this circuit, both circuit will be equivalent, and the result will be same, but equivalent circuit diagram will be a different. Now I will explain it. I think now this is clear. Now I will discuss this, okay. But output result will be like this for this circuit. If this is a fig A and this is a fig B, okay. Got it? That is the. Acha, for fig B, now we discuss the fig B. How the fig B will be. Fig B. In the case of fig B. Yes. For yes, for T1, what will be happen for T1? Now the diode is reverse bias. For T1, this is input wave, okay, and V in is greater than 0, greater than -5 volt, same, okay, and circuit will be, now the diode, the parity of diode is changed, okay, that become a reverse wave. So that means for this case, here the that is a forward bias, and that will behave like a short circuit, but here it will be treated as a ओपन सर्किट बिकॉज द पैरिटी इज चेंज. तो सो चीज़ें बिल्कुल रिवर्स हो जाएंगी. जहाँ वो क्लोज था वहाँ ये ओपन हो जाएगा, जहाँ ये ओपन है बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली उसके रिवर्स हो जाएगा. जहाँ वो ओपन है वहाँ ये रिवर्स हो जाएगा, जहाँ रिवर्स है वहाँ ओपन हो जाएगा. ठीक है. In that case, so this circuit will become so battery is now the nothing is coming from V in, because this circuit is braked at the starting. So everything will become from the battery. Okay. So everything is coming from the battery, and battery has voltage minus 5 volt. Yes, that is constant. So V out will be equal to minus 5 volt. Okay. Exactly the same as the equivalent diagram will be different, but result will be the same. Okay. The same, exactly the same as this circuit. Okay. जी ये ओपन है तो तमाम वोल्टेज जो वी आउट आया वी इनके बराबर होगा. नहीं नहीं, that is different. This is for this circuit and this is all about this circuit. That circuit is different and that circuit is different. क्या? नहीं नहीं, डायोड अपोजिट किया है. मैंने कहा यहाँ डायोड फॉरवर्ड बायस था, यहाँ डायोड मैंने रिवर्स बायस लगा दिया, लेकिन उसकी पोजीशन भी चेंज कर दी है. अगर आप डायोड की पैरिटी चेंज करते हो और पोजीशन चेंज कर देते हो तो दे विल बी, रिजल्ट में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. आप चाहे ये वाला सर्किट यूज करो, हम देख रहे हैं ये सर्किट यूज को इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट आउट बनेगा, लेकिन रिजल्ट विल बी रिमेन द सेम. ओके, गॉट इट? ओके. जी आप क्या कह रहे हो? यहां से कुछ नहीं आ रहा, सर्किट ब्रेक हो गया, तो आपकी अब बाकी सर्किट कितना रह गया? ये रह गया ना. तो ये बैटरी किसको, ये वी आउट है, यहां लोड लगा हुआ है, तो उसको लोड को वोल्टेज कौन प्रोवाइड कर रहा है? बैटरी. तो बैटरी की वोल्टेज कितनी है? नहीं समझ आ गई? बैटरी दे रही है ना. आप एक बल्ब बैटरी के साथ लगाते हो तो क्या उसमें जीरो वोल्टेज होगी या जितनी वोल्ट की बैटरी है उतनी होगी? तो आपने डायरेक्टली सिर्फ बैटरी, ये समझो कि खत्म हो गया ना, ओपन हो गया, ये इसका खत्म, ये बैटरी है. ठीक है. सो दैट्स मीन दैट विल बी अ 5 वोल्ट. ओके. और फॉर यस फॉर T2 अब क्या होगा? T2 has a 3 part as in the case of firstly decreasing and then increasing. Okay. इतने हिस्से के लिए इतने हिस्से के लिए यहां तक ये -5 वोल्ट है, ठीक है। तो आपकी वोल्टेज जो इनकमिंग की है इस हिस्से के लिए और इस हिस्से के लिए -5 वोल्ट से क्या है, ज्यादा। ये यहां कम होगी ना, ये नीचे की तरफ जा रही है ना, 0 की तरफ जा रही है, तो -5, हाँ -5 वोल्ट से ज्यादा है, जो यही सेम केस -5 वोल्ट से क्या है, ज्यादा है। तो -5 वोल्ट से वी इन ज्यादा है, ठीक है। ऐसे ही है ना, इस लाइन को टच करने से पहले, तो इतने हिस्से में ये माइनस हो, ठीक है। इसमें ये कह रहा है जब डिक्रीज हो रहा है, ओके। और दे आर टू केस, यहां और यहां, या ये आएगा मतलब T21 कह लो, ये T22 कह लो, सॉरी ये T23 कह लो, और दरमियान वाले को T22 कह लो, ठीक है। T21, T22, T21 यानी जिसमें पहले डिक्रीज हो रहा है, और फॉर T23 इन दो, in for these two cases the voltage is less than sorry V in is greater than, हाँ दोनों के सेम है, दोनों का रिजल्ट आउटपुट दोनों का ग्रेटर है, दोनों टाइम जो है वो आपके पास सर्किट क्या होगा, मैंने वो टाइम बताने के लिए कि इन दो टाइम पे एक जैसा आ रहा है, तो इन दो टाइम्स के इसमें भी ऐसा ही था, मैंने यहाँ नहीं लिखा था तो बच्चे परेशान हो गए थे, इस वजह से मैंने फर्स्ट लेक्चर में जो फर्स्ट था इससे पहले उसमें मैंने दोनों को तीनों टाइम कराया किए थे, इंक्रीजिंग का लाया था, यहाँ मैंने फिर दोबारा कर दिया, इंक्रीजिंग हो रही या डिक्रीजिंग हो रही, ये वाला टाइम 2-1 और 2-3 वाला, इन दो टाइम के लिए आपका वोल्टेज जो है वो क्या है, वी आई जो है -5 से ग्रेटर है T2 में, ठीक है। और इन दैट केस जब वी आई ग्रेटर होगा तो दैट विल बी ट्रीटेड एज अ open circuit, okay, and this will be same as, so is equal to बैटरी वोल्टेज, इसे वी बैटरी भी कहते हैं, so इसके लिए दिस विल बी a -5 वोल्ट, दरमियान में बीच में स्पेस है, there will be a 2, for decreasing it will be also constant 5 volt, and for increasing यानी इन दो के लिए ये ऐसे ही रहेगा, ये 2-1, ये बैटरी T21 मैं बढ़ा लूँ T23, हमारे पास था 2-1 2-3 के लिए, ये दिस इज अ कांस्टेंट 5 वोल्ट, -5 वोल्ट, ओके। ओके T2 के दो पार्ट है फॉर T2 वन पार्ट दिस एंड वन पार्ट दिस for this box type T22 okay this only okay now what is that yes now it is less than for T22 Vi is greater than 5 minus 5V. Okay, this will be greater than minus 5V. Okay, and now this will be treated as a short circuit. Then we will be not because now this is treated as short circuit, so the current input current will input voltage will be effect on that. So V out will be equal to V in, not exactly, but because some voltage will be drop across the battery and resistance, but they will be so. This resistance, resistance, okay. Okay, because I have actually यहाँ भी resistance होनी चाहिए थी, but that is so combining these. This for this both circuit for T2, excuse me, this both circuit for T2, so result will be the same as this V out will be. Why I draw again? So this will be the result. The result will be the same. Okay. So result will be the same. Got it? So this is for this.